Every time you write text hello Flutter, Flutter builds way more than you think. Let's open it up and see what's really inside text widget. Hey Flutter devs! When you create a text widget, Flutter doesn't just draw text directly. It actually wraps your string inside a few helper widgets and classes. The magic starts with a text widget, which internally creates rich text widget, which uses text span, which finally bends your text using TextPainter. Here is the big Inside Flutter text.dart source code. The text widget's build looks something like this. So, the text widget is really just a shortcut, convenient wrapper around rich text. That's why when you need multiple styles in one line, just jump directly inside rich text. Use text for symbol strings, labels, or titles. Use rich text for when you want multiple styles, emojis, or inline widgets. Both use the same powerful text painter under the hood, Flutter text rendering engine. So, next time you use text, remember, you are not just writing text, you are building a mini rendering pipeline. Follow for more.